This government has committed to protecting 30% of its land mass by 2030. Prime Minister, I've already committed to you that we will complete that protection by 2025. We are working also to ensure that we complete the work to protect 30% of our awesome marine space by 2030. Prime Minister, we will meet your target. That is particularly critical because those elements all go into the water supply. They all go into whether or not we are able to supply our people with fresh water. Jamaicans have been accustomed to being called the land of wood and water and having access to potable water from freshwater sources. If the environment is not managed properly and our water resources are not managed properly, that becomes compromised and other options have to be taken. This is why that is particularly important. Now, outside of the environment, it is particularly important that in many ways we increase the efficiency of our investment, but certainly the size of our investment in an aging, creaking infrastructure that we all know and have spoken about over the years. And I commit, Prime Minister, to ensure that within our framework of governance, that we efficiently deploy every dollar of capital in a manner that the country is comfortable with, that delivers water to as many Jamaicans as quickly as possible. Because through my own recent experience, Prime Minister, the country is happy for macroeconomic stability. But as you have said, they're looking for the dividends now by way of service delivery. And one of those areas is indeed in water. So I commit to use every waking moment to ensure that we move along the mission to peace, productivity, and prosperity.